eas&weather, guess what? Your banning time has been cancelled, so you are permanently unbanned from my YouTube channel because you are awesome. Good job. So awesome. Good job. So you're now unbanned. Your banning time is been cancelled, so you're unbanned. And the rest of y'all people, y'all still banned from my YouTube channel. Like John_SK. And the rest of y'all, you're still banned until 38 days is over. John_SK. WFEAS. I would hate use it with the frying pan. Rymac 445. Cyber Stone T. Cyber. And because the rest of y'all are still banned. So good luck. And southwestern eas&weather, if you're still watching this, you're unbanned, okay? And also, please don't unsubscribe to my channel again, okay? Because I want to get some more subs so I can get to celebrating like 200 subs, 300 subs, 400 subs, 500 subs, 600 subs, 700 subs, 800 subs, 900 subs, and 1,000 subs. So if you're watching this, you're unbanned.